गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। इफ देयर आर एनी बैकग्राउंड नॉइज इज कमिंग, प्लीज इग्नोर इट। टुडे आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो फ्रॉम ऑफिस, so we will basically first look at that how the market behaved according to our prediction yesterday, what we told. If you look at the astro timing, there are one astro timing, one astro timing went probably little bit wrong, where we said 11 to around here, 11 to 12:30, market would have a big fall actually. That is what we predicted, but it did not. But it anyway, it didn't go up also. Okay, so we cannot justify, but anyway. And then we said that around 2:30, 220 to 2:30 to 3:30, market will fall. Market has fallen, but it has started around 2 o'clock, 2:05. So it is actually 10 minutes in advance. That is what happened. Rest of the things were positive anyway. We said 1:30 to 2:30, we would see big green candles. And if you see both in Nifty, Bank Nifty, this green candle is probably the second highest after the morning candle. This is a big, anyway, big candle. Anyway, there is no point in justifying it. But what I'm saying is that Astro did not go horribly wrong anyway. Even in an insanely volatile market today, where you can say Bank Nifty fell down 1,000. This is a 1,000-point candle almost. 36,240 to 35,300. Almost 900-point candle in just 10 minutes, right? So that is the insane volatility, and market went up, of course, again another 1,000 point. What I said to you in the weekly video, this is our buy zone, and whenever market comes here, and we would be able to ideally, मैंने बोला यहाँ पे क्या बोला था कि मार्केट इसके नीचे जा सकता है, पॉसिबल है, बट यहाँ पे एक बाय अटेम्प्ट बनता है विद द स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ दिस, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट वी सेड, एक बाय अटेम्प्ट करना था. Market is all about probability, so people who have taken the buy, they might have bet enough money. I gave you around 600 points guarantee from this level, and we almost close our booking here in this buying. Did we catch the exact buying? No. So we actually did a buying around here, okay, after this candle was formed. So we bought around 35,700 gas plus, and we closed around 36,200. So 500 only we could be able to capture, right? And then what I said in the live, this is the planned one. In the live, I said, especially in Nifty, not in Bank Nifty, when Bank Nifty was forming this candle, I did not took the trade of Bank Nifty, of course, but यहाँ पे सेल था, okay, Bank Nifty. One member, Rishabh bhai, I think asked, मैंने बोला था, yeah, you can take Bank Nifty sell. And though I traded in Nifty, the reason I'll tell you why I did not trade in Bank Nifty. If you see from here, Bank Nifty fall from 300 to 36,000. So around 300 point ka fall. At the same time, Nifty ideally gave you 150 point ka fall. Okay. So that means Bank Nifty falling 300 points and Nifty falling 100 points. So considering the volatility of Bank Nifty, I would consider Nifty as a very, very safe trade, very, very confident trade. और मैंने एग्जैक्टली निफ्टी ने मार्केट जब यहाँ पे था, मैंने आपको सेल बोला था, मैंने पहले एडवांस में दिया था, यहाँ पे तो नहीं, जब मार्केट यहाँ पे था, सॉरी यहाँ पे था, मार्केट वाज गोइंग अप, I told people that I am thinking of selling when market will reach to 17,150. If you look at the high made was 17,156. I initiated the trade when this red candle started forming immediately, and this was our sell zone NEA. Nifty maybe if you look at it, it's a beautiful buying. Okay, Nifty mein you had chance to actually enter exactly from here. Bank Nifty mein side you didn't get the chance to get into a hugely profitable trade, but Nifty mein you could have easily bought from here. Okay, 852 you could have taken up to 151 easily, or at least here. Okay, so this is the level we should be actually being looked at in the intraday one, but this is as per plan. And this is I gave in live advancement, even live in the group, right? So people who have taken this, and I exactly told people to book here because market reversed from here. It fell again, but it did not cross this level where I asked people to book, and this almost gave us 150 points, 130 to 140 points from here to here. Okay. Anyway, that was today. Tomorrow, okay, because somebody asked me to put a view on Reliance, so I'll put a view on Reliance, but tomorrow's trade plan. Okay. Weekly view, I hope everybody remembers. Now, see what I said to you in the weekly video, that we will look for the Monday closing. If the Monday closing looks reasonably good, then people can go ahead actually start selling P's and all those. So see, here I have a buy zone, here I have a buy zone, here I have a buy zone. Okay, so it is very difficult to cross these three levels and go down. Nifty can go down. So option seller can start selling the P. Actually, they could have started today itself, but anyway, आज ही प्रॉफिट में निकल जाते 200 पॉइंट 200 पॉइंट्स इजीली. But anyway, so I don't think market would go below Monday's closing in this week. That's what my view is. Okay, as per the timing and all those, market may not go below Monday's low. Okay, and tomorrow if it is closing towards positive side around this area, then though it will may not go below 17,000 also, even till Friday. Okay, that is what the view would be. So kal ki trading baat kar lete, rest we will check. Is this sell zone are going to work again on a sell zone tomorrow? Probably yes, but this is going to be a weak sell zone, so we are not going to sell from here. So from an extreme trading point of view, we have a sell from here 17,261. that is like a 99% confidence selling, where you can get easily 50 points, so around 70 to 80 points up to this level. Okay, 60 if you take, it is around 100 points. If you say 100 points in the option at the money, you will get easily 70 points. Okay, so this is the fall that you can expect tomorrow. Okay, I'll come down to tomorrow's trade timing first. So you can take a screenshot of here. So we are seeing 9:15 to 10:15 upside capped range bound. That means we don't know what market will do. Okay, it can go up, it can come down, we don't know, but mostly it looks towards a downside after a gap up. If it gaps up, first 1 hour looks like a downside. Okay, 10:25 to 11:45 confusing, but bias is towards positive. Okay, so that means timing को अगर करें हम लोग तो story कैसे होगा? The story, if market gaps up, let market come down. Okay, around 10:15 to 10:20, you ideally go ahead and pick up it till 11:45. Let it go whatever area or whatever level it wants to go. Then from 12:15 to 1:30 we have a downside. Okay, and from 1:40 towards 3:30 we have a upside. Okay, and if market is making this pattern, guys, tomorrow, what is this pattern is looking like ideally? This pattern is looking like a W pattern, right? If you see, if market is forming a W pattern tomorrow and going up and closing towards the higher side, Wednesday market will gap up and our ultimate target would be 37,200. 37,200 ka target. So you can take the C position, positional for Wednesday. Okay, option buyers. Okay, and if this forms, which is going to be our perfect trading, that means what I'm saying in terms of timing, if everything goes wrong in the first 2 hours according to our timing and the price action pattern, we can start buying around 130. Okay, we can start buying around 130. Are we going to get the level of 130 here? If we get it here, if it happens, this is a preferable trade, but it may happen, may not happen, right? But this pattern should form this pattern. Let's see. Now what I'm saying is, let's say market doesn't gap up. Market, let's say, does a flat opening and comes down. Okay, market does a flat opening and let's comes down. Okay, this buy zone to anyway would act as a support for you, but tomorrow I would be comfortable actually doing buying from here also. 35,686 का जो level है. Okay, 35,686 का level में अगर market मेरे को यहाँ पे ऐसे मिल जाता है, I'll buy the moment this level is crossed. 35,900 is crossed. Go for a buying. Okay, up to this swing high, of course, and then market may fall, and ultimately the target would be this. It will still be a W pattern, but it will be a skewed W pattern tomorrow. Okay, right? So this would be the second preferable trade for us. I would personally not look a Bank Nifty to go below 35,700 tomorrow. ओके, बट लेट से इस तरह की कैंडल बना देता है, अगर ये बना देता है कल फ्लैट ओपनिंग होके, तो यू हैव ए बाइंग एट द सेम बाय जोन अराउंड, ये इसके नीचे तो मार्केट नहीं जाएगा. 35,425 ये बाय जोन का वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 35,425 में बाय कर सकते हो, बट आई रियली डाउट लुकिंग एट द ग्लोबल मार्केट एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो दिस वन, एंड लेट्स से there's a second scenario. The third scenario is, let's say market gaps up and doesn't come down like for first 1 hour and all those stuff. Okay, market doesn't come down, then wait for 12 o'clock, let market touch this level, क्योंकि ये level तो sell का है. टाइमिंग के आसपास मिल गया तो बहुत बढ़िया बात है, बिकॉज 12:15 to 1:30 वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ सेल. So this level, remember guys, this 36,560. Okay, 36,560 would be my preferable trade to sell. Your sell zone का बॉटम से ही करना है, टॉप के लिए वेट नहीं करना है. दिस इज आवर ब्लैक लेवल एनीवे, दैट वुड बी आवर स्टॉप लॉस लेवल. बट यहाँ पे आपको सेल इनिशिएट कर देना है. ओके, मार्केट शुड एटलीस्ट कम दिस. ओके, 250. So we are talking about a 300 point fall before market goes up. This is target one. It can come down. I don't know, but it can come down. You can trail, but we will start the buying either from here in this scenario or from here. Pivot set 35,900 after 130. Simple. Okay, in both the levels, either this level or this level, whatever it is, will start at 130. But ये 300 पॉइंट का सेल तो आपको लेना है. तो कल की जो कॉन्फिडेंट ट्रेडिंग होगी ना, तो कॉन्फिडेंट सेल ट्रेडिंग इज दिस 36,560 to 36,260. ये 300 पॉइंट की सेल हमको कल ले लेनी. ठीक है, क्लियर. देन 130 के बाद अपन बाय करेंगे. यही दो परफेक्ट ट्रेड है टाइमिंग और प्राइस एक्शन के हिसाब से ऑन दिस गैप अप सिनेरियो. सेकंड सिनेरियो तो मैंने दिया आपको, यहाँ पे बाय कर सकते हो. I'll try to do in live also if possible. Okay, market इसके नीचे साथ नहीं जाएगा. That is what my personal belief is, unless it puts a red candle like this. अगर इस तरह की red candle बना भी देता है ना, go for buy, blind buying from this level 35,430. Okay, अगर मिलता है, या फिर थोड़ा वेट कर लो. Nifty, I already told you that there are different buying zones here. We have a buying zone here if you see. Okay, but as I said, Bank Nifty में जैसे मैं बोला, अगर ये रेड कैंडल बना देता है तो इट्स ओके. ये यू डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर दिस लेवल. यू कैन गो फॉर बाइंग अराउंड 16,850, 840, 850 के आसपास. ओके, अगर मार्केट फॉल होता भी है, बट आई रियली डाउट कि मार्केट यहाँ तक आएगा. टुमारो इफ यू गेट ए बाइंग अराउंड 16,950, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन स्टार्ट टेकिंग ए बाय. ओके, यहाँ पे भी अगर मिलता है तो आप एक बार बाय कर लो, बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा प्राइस एक्शन बनाने दो. ऐसे बनाने दो. ठीक है, then only you buy. Or else what will happen is, basically, let's say market is not making a price action and it is going down and it is coming in between, then ये buy zone में इसको घुसने दो. Let it enter inside the buy zone. In that case, you will buy above 16,950. Whenever market crosses this, you will go for a buy. It can easily come down to the day's high anyway again, if this happens. Okay, the second scenario that might happen is market doesn't go down this much. It basically takes a support from here and goes up. Okay, so something like this, a skewed W pattern. Okay, like this. So we will see. Timing देखना और लेवल देख के ट्रेड करना. The third scenario in Nifty would be मार्केट गैप अप हो जाता है और मॉर्निंग में ही ऊपर जाना चालू करता है. Let it go. ठीक है, मैंने आपको सेल जोन यहाँ पे दिया तो है. निफ्टी में एक लेवल और है मेरे पास, जो बैंक निफ्टी में कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है, निफ्टी में वो है. निफ्टी में वो लेवल ये है कि दिस वन. ओके, फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. 261 का लेवल दिया था ना. एक लेवल है 215 के आसपास, विच इज यहाँ पे स्विंग हाइज भी हैं, अगर आपको दिखेंगे. एग्जैक्टली तो नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, बट इट्स अराउंड दिस 17,215, 16 का लेवल है. मार्केट यहाँ से भी सेल दे सकता है. Okay, very high chance, may not be big, but यहाँ से सेल दे सकता है. Now the question is, should we make an attempt for sale from here tomorrow? You can, but make sure that you do not convert that trade into loss. So for example, आपको 5 पॉइंट मिलते हैं, you lock 1 point and then leave it. Okay, and 20-30 points मिलता है तो you book it actually, because this is a weak sell, but it can give you a sell rather than reaching here. Okay, market might just go after here, after giving you a sell here like this. Okay, तो ये वाला सेल हमको मिस नहीं करना है. It might be a small trade, but I personally think that market would give you a reaction from 17,216 tomorrow. A 30-40 point का easily. Option में you can target 25 points easily from here. Okay, एक ट्राई बनता है आपका. लॉस ज्यादा नहीं लेना है. Okay, but I cannot guarantee this. But if market reaches here, I mean, how do you trade from this level? जो हमने यहाँ पे टाइमिंग दिया है ना, अराउंड 215 के आसपास टू 130, राइट. 215 के आसपास अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे पहुंचता है, एक रेड कैंडल बनाता है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर ए सेल. टाइमिंग और लेवल के मैच हो गया. दिस लेवल डजंट नीड एनी टाइमिंग कंफर्मेशन. If market reaches 17,260, that means 200 points from today's closing, then you have a wonderful sell here from 216 200, sorry, 250 to you can take 150. 100 point का sell easily you can take, where you can get a 70 point in option P buy. यहाँ पे सेल ले लेना, मार्केट वैसे इसके ऊपर जाएगा नहीं क्योंकि ये ब्लैक लेवल है, ये ब्लैक लेवल को पहली बार में इट कैन नॉट क्रॉस एंड गो अप. ओके, तो ये मुझे जो लगता है निफ्टी की कल की गैप जो मैक्सिमम जो कैपिंग होनी चाहिए अनलेस इट गोज रियली रियली बैड, और 17,270 का ही होना चाहिए, 60-70 का होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड बैंक निफ्टी की जो कैपिंग होनी चाहिए आपकी, वो कैपिंग होनी चाहिए 36,700. इसके ऊपर मार्केट कल नहीं जाएगा. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. ओके, एक बार मैं रिलायंस आपको बता देता हूँ, किसने रिलायंस पूछा था. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू रिलायंस. रिलायंस में जो है हमारा, एक सेकेंड मैं इसको पहले ऑफ कर देता हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव द नंबर्स इन माय माइंड. ये वाला हम रखेंगे इसको. यस, so Reliance, this zone is going to, I mean this one, yeah, of course, the way it is trading, we cannot just go positive unless this level is cut. That means 2500 मोटा मोटा ले लो, उसके ऊपर ही Reliance बुल बनेगा. और तब तक the labels that Reliance has left out on the upper side, if I'm not wrong, just a second, I'll just bring you back the labels. Yeah, 2550, 2580. ओके, ये सेल जोन के आसपास 2550 तो आने दो पहले. 150, 200 पॉइंट्स के आसपास, या 150, 180 पॉइंट्स के आसपास रिलायंस में अपर साइड में मार्केट ओपन है. एंड द वे इट इज राइट नाउ मूविंग, आई थिंक इट इज मूविंग ब्यूटिफुली, राइट. So this is my third, this is my fourth, and if I say fifth, so let me see whether it can actually technically go there or not. So it's a 155 points, and 155 points around it is coming. If you look at, it is coming around 2560 के आसपास, right? 2560, yeah, that is what I said, exactly this level. तो ये तो ओपन है. इसमें कंडीशन क्या है कि आपकी जो स्टॉप लॉस, अगर आप बाय कर रहे हो, कल मेरा रिकमेंडेशन रिलायंस में बाय ऑन डिप्स का ही रहेगा. आपकी स्टॉप लॉस 24.5 का ही होना चाहिए इसके आसपास. ओके, ये जो है, या फिर 2400 ले लो. कल डिप में अगर मार्केट मिलता है, मार्केट अगर आपको 2420, 2425 के आसपास मिलता है, आई थिंक रिलायंस यू कैन गो फॉर ए बाय. The 20 point stop loss and 100 point target, 1:5 का रिस्क रिवार्ड होना चाहिए. हमारा व्यू है कि मेरा 2550 के आसपास आ जाना चाहिए. कितने दिन में आएगा वी डोंट नो. ओके, बट स्टॉप लॉस आपका हिट नहीं होना चाहिए. बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट योर स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, 15 मिनट्स का डेली में एक बार देख लेते हैं. डेली में दिस अ ब्यूटीफुल इनसाइड कैंडल. ओके, दिस वाज अ बुलिश एनगल्फिंग. It's a beautiful inside candle. Market close negative, a positive. It's a wonderful doji. It's a perfect doji. The moment market tomorrow, buy on dips maybe. The market tomorrow, if you are not confident in trading, let market come down. If it coming down, if it is going above 2441, today's closing, let's say, and sustaining for 15 minutes, you can go for a buying up to this level. यही दिया था 2550 का लेवल दिया था ना मैंने आपको. 2550 का लेवल आप इजीली लेके जा सकते हो. 100 पॉइंट शुड बी, रिलायंस शुड हैव 100 पॉइंट्स मोर फ्रॉम दिस लेवल. दैट्स व्हाट माय पर्सनल बिलीव इज, अनलेस इट बेसिकली कैप्स डाउन. ओके, दिस इज बुलिश एनगल्फिंग इनसाइड कैंडल, and you will get confirmed when 2470 is crossed. Sorry, 2480 is crossed. 2480 is crossed. Almost market will give you another 70 points. That's what my belief is. Your stop loss would be 24.5 to 2400. Your stop loss would be this low ideally. Okay, ठीक है, that's the Reliance view. Thank you very much. बाकी जो होगा कल लाइव में देखेंगे. Good night, जय माता दी.